Welcome to the Irvin L. Young Memorial Library website. Today I want to give you a quick tour of the resources available for parents and educators to use while everyone is safe at home. The first thing I'm going to show you is some of the learning resources that we've curated. In order to get to those resources, you're going to go right here to the Youth tab, and in the drop-down menu, select Children's, and then go down to For Parents. Okay, so here are some learning resources that we've put together. There are a number of websites right now that are providing free content. Everything from activity kits to educational videos. A couple of the websites down here are offering free ebooks. This last one down here, Reach Out and Read, has literacy and learning resources, but it also has tips for helping children and caregivers manage stress during this time. If you scroll down a little further, there are a selection of virtual field trips here, which are really great to use when you are stuck inside the house. You can tour Yellowstone National Park. There's a farm tour available, and then there are a list of libraries around the world, which was one of my favorites. Outside of the Parents page, we also have access to a couple of different databases that also provide educational resources, and I'm going to show you Badgerlink. So in order to get to Badgerlink, you're going to hover over the Other Resources tab, and it's the second one down in the drop-down menu. So Badgerlink is Wisconsin's online library, and it's going to provide access to everything from Encyclopedia Britannica. There are newspaper archives and also some local history databases. As you can see here, you can browse by format. So depending on if you're looking for scholarly journals, if you just want to go through some magazines, you can also look for books. You can browse by subject. You can browse by audience. So they have this broken down by elementary, middle school, high school, and above. And then you could simply browse all resources. So these are just some of the things. You have Academic Search Premier for academic journals. You have a newspaper archive, auto repair, there are some lesson plans right up here. And the list goes on. So those are some of the educational resources that we have that you can use at home while our library is closed. That's all that we have today. So stay safe, and we look forward to seeing you when we're open.